Dry out there at the moment. Kind of a cool shot here from
Pretty.
our Cedar Hill tower camera, that cloud deck. This camera is about 1,600 feet up in the air, so obviously those clouds a little bit higher than that. The setting sun behind the clouds there, close to 70. Cedar Hill at this hour. There's the clouds overhead. There've been maybe a sprinkle here or there in North Texas today, but that's it. Clouds will thicken up overnight tonight, and there'll be some patchy drizzle, maybe some showers around to start the day tomorrow. But the rain coverage will kind of increase during the day, especially from DFW to the east and to the south. So it's not an all-day washout tomorrow. Some of you will see rain morning to early to mid-afternoon. Some of you may not see rain until late tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. Just kind of depends on where you are. Some of you may not see any rain at all, especially across western North Texas. That'd be kind of the lowest coverage. Highest coverage, eastern and southeastern areas, but probably not until tomorrow, late afternoon and evening. So here's noon. There's 3 o'clock. You can see kind of a broken line or just thunder showers and thunderstorms along that front there. That'll continue toward 5 o'clock. But there's 7. You see how DFW drying out at that point. So your Christmas Eve evening plans, especially in immediate DFW, look a lot drier than kind of the daytime hours, if you will. Then everything will continue to move off to the east and the southeast into tomorrow night. Severe weather threats low. It's not 0. It's a 1 on a scale of 5. For those storms where they're going to be during the afternoon and into the evening, a little more fuel for those storms. Could have some hail, could have some gusty winds, but overall I'm not terribly concerned with a severe weather threat. It's North Texas after all. Anytime we have thunderstorms, we have a chance for maybe some of them to have a little wind and hail. So when's the best time to see rain tomorrow? For areas west and north of DFW, it's between about 6 to 10. DFW and most North Texas about 10 to 3. Your east and southeastern areas, most likely time to see rain about 3 to 8 o'clock tomorrow, mid to late afternoon into the evening. But then, as I mentioned, Christmas Day itself will be dry. Some cloud cover will be out there. Not much in the way of sunshine, maybe some peaks of sun here or there, and a little cooler than what we'll be dealing with tomorrow. Your highs on Christmas Day, upper 50s, low 60s, depending on where you are. We'll say around 60 for the DFW area, but then another round of rain, almost a kind of a repeat situation of what we're going to see tomorrow will happen on Thursday. Maybe just even a little bit higher coverage of rain on Thursday, though. Scattered rain and drizzle tonight, 59 will be your low. And then tomorrow, daylight hours, rain and storms for most of you. Lower coverage tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, 66 for the high. Down to 60 on Christmas. Your morning will start off about 50, 65 the day after Christmas with an 80% coverage of rain. 20% coverage on Friday with highs in the upper 60s. Near 70 for the weekend and 70s to start next week. But as we end 2024 and usher in 2025, we get a bit of a cool down. In fact, pretty decent cool down. Not an Arctic blast, it doesn't look like at this point, but we go from the 70s down into the 50s for highs, and those morning lows get back down into the 30s. Probably at some point during that first week of January or first week or so of January, we'll probably be dealing with some freezing temps again in North Texas, but not until then. Things look pretty mild for now.